What's up everyone, TechCloud here, and in this video I'm going to show you a theme for iOS 7. It is called Neurotech7 and it is specifically made for iOS 7 devices including iPhone 5s, iPhone 5, iPhone 4 and 4s. Look at the clock at the top and also look at the glowing unlock icon or unlock sign, whatever you like to call. It's blinking and glowing. It's looking very nice and it complements the wallpaper very nicely. And if you look at the wallpaper, it has the glowing dots. It looks very nice. It seems that everything is glowing. So you can slide like that and unlock your device, and this is the look and feel of the theme. And you can see for yourself that how beautiful the theme is. It looks pretty simple, futuristic and beautiful as well. And most of the icons are available, and you can see the status bar is also themed. So is the dock, and also the control center is very nicely themed. If you look at that closely, yeah, both the above and the bottom buttons or toggles are nicely themed, as you can see here. Let me show you some of the icons that are themed and some of the icons which are not themed. These are the icons that are not themed, and it looks square instead of rounded corners. And as you can see from the Google services, some are themed and some are not themed. These are the social apps, and also the Facebook is themed as well as the WhatsApp and the Viber that I've already shown you before, and you can see once again as well. So there are actually quite few icons which are not themed. So how to get this theme? You need to go to the Cydia and search for Neurotech7, and the theme is actually going to cost $1, and install this theme and it will give you everything. In addition to that, you need to install Neurotech7 DL as well, which is the dynamic live wallpaper, and this will give you the glowing thing on the lock screen. And you need to install Neurotech7 LS as well, which will give you the animation whenever you open an app. So once you have already installed all these things, go to the Winterboard and select all these listed items that I have shown you here. Neurotech7 LS will give you this animation that I'm talking about. This animation you will see whenever you open a new app. So if you don't want, you can deselect that item. And once you have selected all these items, go back to the Winterboard by pressing the left arrow and then press respring, and it will restart. And as you can see, it has replaced the Apple logo as well with the matching logo, and it looks very nice on the black screen. Once it comes back, you will be able to see the theme, and this is the dynamic lock screen wallpaper over there, which is glowing, and it swiping over it will enable you to unlock your screen. And this is the theme. You will not get the same look that I have got here. For that, you need to do some additional things. You need to install the Springtomize 3 from Cydia, and once you have installed, you need to open and go to the dock. And either if you want, you can hide the full dock, but that's not what I have done. I have actually hidden the background only. And as you can see, you can hide the background by clicking on this button. But the reason why this button is not on, because I'm not using the Springtomize 3 for this particular job, and rather I'm using an app called Transparent Dock. I will show you that one as well. In addition to that, select 5 number of icons in the dock. Once you are done with that, go back and then go to pages. Once you are in the pages, you can select the number of columns, which is basically the column of the icons that you see on every page. I have selected to 5 number of columns. So then I will get the look, as you can see here, 5 number of columns. And this is the application that I'm talking about, transparent dock. I have actually used that one, but let me uninstall this one and let me show you that how you can do the same thing with the Springtomize 3 as well. Instead of installing 2 apps, it's better to use one app for everything, which is the Springtomize 3. Springtomize 3 will make your dock transparent, make the 5 icons in the dock and also the 5 icon columns on the home screen. So I have uninstalled the transparent dock. So as you can see, the dock is back now. Just go to the Springtomize 3 and turn on the hide background and respring the phone. And once the phone come back, it will show you no dock background and you will get the desired look. As you can see, once again, using the Springtomize 3, I have hide the dock and I have gotten back the same look that I want. And now the other difference is the lock screen. You can see this clock here on the lock screen. It's different than the stock one. For that, I have installed Subtle Lock and installed this app. This is also free and it's available on Cydia. Once it is available, just all you have to do is turn off the slider just like that. What this will do is actually it will get rid of the slider, the default slider that you get on your default lock screen, and also it will give you the smaller clock at the top that you have seen. And also, if you have noticed, the font is different. In order to get the same font, you need to do is you have to do actually 2 things. You need to install this app called Beta Font 2 from the Cydia. Let me show you. Yeah, this is the app here, Beta Font 2. This is also optional stuff. If you don't want to change the font, then no need for this one. Install this app. This is available for free on Cydia. And once you have installed this one, you need to install a font as well, which is called Sony Sketch EF font, as you can see on your screen now. Install this font as well, and once it is installed, all you have to do is open Beta Font 2 app and go to the basic, and instead of the Beta Font backup, select the Sony Sketch EF and it will change your default font. So you will see this new font on your lock screen and everywhere, even the notification panel, everywhere you will find this font, and this is actually looking very nice and goes very well with the theme. So guys, this is how you install this beautiful theme, which is called Neurotech7. I hope that you have liked the theme and you have liked the video, and you will find this video useful. I'll see you later. Take care. Bye.